This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. For this set, I'll be using this orange polish by LA Colors, a white and black polish from Kiss, a clear glassy top coat from Kiss. I'm using 2 different color flame stickers, a logo decal I created for myself, and some striping tape. Hey NailTube family! So today is real special to me as I'm giving you a small glimpse of one of the other things I truly enjoy doing. But before I do, let me walk you through this set first. On this hand, 3 of the nails will be orange, 1 white, and 1 black. This orange is a beautiful shimmer polish. It's part of that LA Colors Color Last collection that I showed you at Walmart in my recent vlog. These other 2 colors, the white and black, are Kiss gel polishes and can be found at Dollar Tree. Now, about it being called gel polish, I will say this as a reminder in many videos. These are not actual gel polishes that you may think of. They're likely gel mixes. A real gel polish will never come in a clear bottle. The container has to be opaque to protect it from exposure to light sources. So you can see I've started a second coat to all the nails, and then I'll be going in with the design. So, about these nails, at a quick glance, I wondered if the colors gave the impression that I might be doing a Halloween set. Nah, I don't mean to be a spoiler, but as you can see, it's all about Harley Davidson, y'all. Yes, girl, I'm a rider, have been for over 27 years now. I started riding back in 1993 and have always been a sport bike enthusiast. Even after all this time, I still ride sport bike. Some call it crotch rockets, rice burners, but I think those terms are mostly a guy thing. This water decal I made myself. I cut as close to the design as possible and let it soak in shallow water for only a few seconds. Then it'll slide right off the contact paper. I always make certain it's completely dry before adding any other products, such as top coat. Yeah, so when I started riding, there was but a handful of ladies, and we pretty much were familiar with each other or just simply knew each other because the circle was so small. I get so excited and so delighted whenever I shop for riding gear and accessories these days because there's so much cute stuff. Back in the day, as I said, since there weren't many ladies riding, there was none of that. Nothing accommodated women riders, and I was never about that grunge look, okay? Hence the nails that I'm creating today. I am so excited about these. So here I've added striping tape which will come off right away. It's being used as a guideline to create straight lines for the design. Sometimes I look back and can't even realize that I've actually been riding for that long. I specifically remember my first favorite leather jacket. It was a men's, of course, because as I said, they didn't accommodate women in that time. And the shoulders stuck out like a football player. And the sleeves were so long they had to be folded. It was so uncomfortable around my wrist, but you know what? It was still good times. Now, even though I burn with my deep passion for sport bikes, I am now a proud owner of a Harley Davidson, y'all. I wonder if there's any others that are part of this NailTube family who ride. Check in if you do, y'all. So look, I've been excited since day one to use these flames. And what better reason to use them for, right?
Flames. I'm gonna put those nails on fire. On fire.
I ordered these from Amazon and they came in several different colors. For this set, I'm using silver and the holographic orange flames. I really hope you're enjoying this expose of a part of my lifestyle. I love nails, motorcycles, and so much more. Now, I could wear these as is because after all, this is bougie nails on a budget, right? But I was eyeballing a few more things, y'all. Some more stuff to add. And you know what? I'm feeling like I got to represent just a bit more. Or maybe it's just me. I gotta be extra. So I have these holographic letters, and on one hand I placed HD for Harley Davidson. So for this one, I'm placing the name of the motorcycle that I ride, and it's called a V-Rod. It is totally bad AF. Do you hear me? This is the reason why these nails have to be bad AF too. Another persuasion to bling these out is that nowadays, especially the Harley Davidson women's riding gear, it comes so fully blinged out. I'm talking rhinestones, y'all, just like on our nails. So I have got to go in on these. On one hand, I placed a 3D skull, and now for this hand, I'll be using a 3D set of wings. I really love how these turned out. I am so excited. Oh yes, I do wear these. I'm going to be wearing these and riding. As a matter of fact, the black nail with the orange stripes, that is the exact design on my motorcycle. It's so classic. It's a solid black and it has two bold orange stripes straight down the middle. Y'all know I'm gonna be looking cute. I really hope you enjoyed today's video because I am really fired up about this set. I got these bad fellas on and I am about to hit it. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of these nails. Subscribe to this channel because I'm here to tell you I got even more to come. Join this NailTube family and click that notification bell so that you're notified of every time I upload. See you in the next video.